I'm going to show you how to draw bend on hole 4 on a C harmonica. Let's talk a little bit more about note bending, shall we? So I've already told you that there's 4 types of note bending: draw bending, blow bending, overblow, overdraw. Why do we do it? Because it's cool, because we can, because it's fun, because it's groovy, because it's what the harmonica does. And also, the 10 holes that we have, which is 20 notes, isn't it? One in, one out. It turns those 20 notes into more than 40 notes. That's, when I say notes, I mean the sort of note that you'll find on a guitar fretboard or a piano keyboard. There are notes in between, like when you pull a string on a guitar. So in this video, I'm going to go into hole 4 draw. Now, we worked on hole 1 draw already, so this is going to be hole 4 draw. Now, I personally have found that, in my experience, people learn generally in the order of hole 1, then hole 4, then hole 6, then hole 5, and then 2 and 3 are much harder. But you can get to holes 2 and 3 much more easily if you can do holes 1, 4, 6, and 5. 5's a tricky one because it's only a quarter step, a semitone bend. It's a quarter tone bend. We'll come to hole 5 later, but this is just hole 1 and hole 4. There's hole 1. Hole 4 is an octave higher. So it's the same notes as hole 1. D when you breathe in. Oh, this is a C harmonica, right? D when you breathe in. C when you breathe out. Go up to hole 4. The draw note is the higher of the two, and what we want to do is to bend the pitch down to halfway between the draw and the blow. So D, D flat, blow, C. So how do we do it? Well, it's like hole 1, which was, we said, E, or, blow, or, E, but it's a smaller movement. So instead of E, or, it's more like E, so instead of E, or, it's E, it's a modified version of that same movement. E, so I feel like my tongue is going back and up. It's going to the roof of the mouth and it's going back towards the throat. Ear. So it's leaving the teeth and going down back towards the throat a bit. We need to keep the volume increasing as the pitch bend appears. Ear, ear, something like that. People have different things that they say to make this happen. And you can do it tongue blocked or U blocked, so you can do it without using the tongue. For the moment, I think the easiest way to start bending, I think, is using the tongue, saying ear, ear. You can see the tongue retreating, can't you? Ear, 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 ear. So I think the best way to approach the bending is to do it in 4 distinct notes when there's a single bend available. So you draw in, you bend it down, you blow, you go back to the bend. That's the 4 notes. Then you release it and start again. So it's ear, retain that mouth shape, blow, and then back to that draw. Ear, blow, E. E tends to release it, and tends to put the bend on, I've found. And you start again. Of course, there's multitudinal bends. So we're doing a semitone bend here, or a half step bend. But you can, unlike a piano and like a guitar, you can pull the string, can't you? So you can bend the string. So we can on the harmonica. So it depends how much your ears can detect it and what you want the result to be. So I would tend to use 4-draw bend in the same sort of way as whole 1-draw bend. If there's a tune which demands that note of D flat or C sharp, can be called either, they are enharmonically equivalent, they're the same pitch, I think. Some people argue that, but let's go for now and say they're the same pitch. If there's a tune which has that note in it, then use it. Otherwise, I would use it in improvising, often as a passing note. You could use it in a blues scale. There it is in the blues scale. So I'm there, I'm going do 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 do. Just kind of teasing you to get to that D note. So let's go back to these 4 notes. D, D flat, C, D flat or C sharp, D. Now I would try and play them twice each. Now I try and play them with a gap, take the harmonica out of the mouth. So I'm training myself to go direct to it without looking at the harmonica. So I could now drop down to whole 1 draw and do the same on each. First thing you need to have is clear, strong single notes, comma, a desire to use the bend, comma, I thought I was dictating for a minute, and a target, to know what you're aiming for. Otherwise you won't know if you've hit it if you don't have a target. So by the end of this video you should be able to play whole 4 draw bend, and if you add that to the previous video, which is whole 1 draw bend, you should have increased your range of notes. That's a pretty common blues lick. Not so easy to play down at the bottom end.